In this video, you will learn how to remove your Google Tag Manager code from your website. You can do this two way. One, you can remove your plugin. On another is you can remove your Google Tag Manager code in your website head section. So I teach you two way. Come to your plugin section. You can see the instant plugin. Click here. You can see I use this plugin Google Tag Manager. You just deactivate this plugin. You can also delete this plugin. This is the one way you can remove your Google Tag Manager from your website. And another way, if you connected your Google Tag Manager with your website head section with an HTML file, so first you have to come to your appearance and you can see theme file editor. Click here. You can come theme file editor. You can see we find out the header.php. This option you can see here, header.php. Click here, just scroll. You can see I set up my Google Tag Manager code in this head section. So I just remove this code, just cut and upload this file. Again, you find out the footer.php. Click here. You can see I can set up the footer code in the body section. You just mark the code and cut. Now I again upload the file. In this way, you can easily you remove your Google Tag Manager code your website head section. If your website is Shopify or Wix, that's way is another. So if you need any kind of help about Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, server-side tracking, Facebook marketing related helps, you can contact with me. I provided digital marketing services around the world, many clients, and please subscribe my channel to get more video about Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Facebook marketing and Facebook Pixel related video. So see you in next video. Bye bye.